Didn't
Beat them fair and square.
Didn't you tie with a certain Sunderland 2-2? You conceded at late minute. You conceded at the end of the 90 minutes.
Game. Did you lose to Brighton?
You drew to Sunderland. Where's the chest coming from?
And you lost to Tottenham and Brighton.
From, I want to know.
But fans at forward will say, "Oh, but they got a good home record. Oh, but they're a tough team. They're a tough team. They're a tough team." Do you know what I'm saying? This guy chatting rubbish, man.
You lost to Tottenham and Brighton. So if you were good, you'd be top.
If we're good, we'll actually deliver a major honour, innit? If we're as good as you claim us to be, then we would win a major honour, innit?
We're winning the league. He knows it deep
You
down.
drew to a championship
Tupac,
team.
Whatever his name is.
You drew
whatever
to a
his name is, AK-47,
team.
whatever his name
Pipe
is.
down.
He knows
Pipe
we're
down.
winning the
You
league.
drew to a championship team.
But we're top.
That's all that matters.
We're top.
That's all that matters. That's all that matters.
What matters is the points on the board.
So,
innit?
What?
You're going to drop points to Newcastle. We'll be 7 points clear. And then I'm going to be like, I don't even want to speak to Tupac.
Who says you're going to be 7 points clear? Who says you're going to be 7 points clear? Focus on North London
we're Arsenal, bro. We know how to deal with Tottenham.
North London derby first.
They come to your stadium and embarrass you every year. Come on, bro. They ain't coming to the Emirates and doing that. Are you mad? Are you mad?
So we're beating Chelsea as well, yeah? We're beating Chelsea as well, yeah?
Of course we're beating Chelsea. I'm not like you, Northside. I'm not afraid of them teams.
I'm not afraid of these teams. I'm afraid of Arteta, bro.
No,
I'm afraid of Arteta.
Bro, you got to start chilling on Arteta, leaving the guy alone. Give the guy a break. You're on Arteta because Arteta's in your head rent free all the time. Leave the guy alone.
Leave the guy alone. He can leave my club alone.
No, he's going to leave. So, brother, we're going to show you how to beat Tottenham at home, all right? Just let you know.
All right, cool. So we're beating Tottenham. We're beating Bayern. We're beating Chelsea. We're beating Villa. We're beating everyone, innit?
We just gotta get the points on the board. As long as we don't lose, get points. These guys are gonna flop somewhere.
What was our plan B against Sunderland?
What was our plan B? We're still top of the table. That's the plan B.
Huh?
We're still top of the table.
Okay, so basically there is no plan B. So Forward thinks that we can just keep drawing games and we're gonna win because that's what we did last season and we didn't win.
It doesn't matter with your plan B, plan C, plan A. Arteta is top of the table right now. We're in a position where we was last year. So this time last year we were nowhere near where we were this year. So enjoy the ride. When we win the league, go on the fans who are hoping we don't win the league, bro, because that's how you go on. And then you bite off other fans who mock you.
And if you bottle it, Fuad, if you bottle it again, all of us deserve an explanation. All of us deserve the truth. All of us deserve the truth. That you have been backing against Lemon Squeezer. Flip off.
I'll write a script for you.
So, Forward, what's Arsenal winning this season? What are we winning?
We're winning the Premier League, bro.
Premier League? I thought you don't fear no one in Europe, bro.
No, we're going to win the Premier League.
But why not the Champions League as well? Because you don't fear anyone.
Bro, Premier League first. Win your league title. If Champions League happens, it's a bonus. Win the Premier League first.
Premier League first, yeah? 100%. Are we gonna win the Carabao? Because we're in the quarters against Palace. Are we gonna win that as well?
We should be Palace, and we should win that cup. Yeah, we should win that cup.
So we're gonna do minimum. We're gonna do a double this year. Yeah, your word.
Hopefully we do a double. Yeah, but the Premier League.
Why hopefully? No, surely you got chess. Why hopefully?
Yeah, what happened to the chess, bro? Where's the chess right now?
Where's the chess right now? This is the chess right now.
Where is it now?
Okay, I'll do your deal.
You said hopefully. Where's the chess right now, blood?
You can't celebrate.
All right, stop me celebrating.
No, you can't celebrate.
Stop me.
You moaned about it for 5-6 years, so you're gonna be a walk. What's with it?
I'm moaning about not winning it. I'm moaning about not winning it.
No,
if we win, then there's nothing to moan about.
You don't want Arsenal to win the league, no. I know you don't want us to win the league.
I don't want Arsenal to win. Of course.
You're such a. We're above Man City. You're such a. But if Man City were top, bro, you'd be slaying Arsenal.
You know what? Well, if we win it, yeah, I'll actually name the show. I'm not allowed to celebrate. I'm a fake fan, and I'll be celebrating with 10 Maggies the whole stream. And I'll say, Fuad, come stop me.
I will come on the show and say, you are not allowed to celebrate. Stop your Maggies. Stop your celebration. You can't moan like a baby, then jump on the bandwagon when you got a dummy in your mouth. It don't work like that. Life don't work like that.
There's no bandwagon. I grew up with my club being successful. There's no bandwagon.
No. We've never won back to back in your lifetime.
Restoring my club back to where it should be, winning major.
We've never been a dominant force because we've never won a title back to back in our lifetime. We've done it in the 30s or 50s.
Back to back. We ain't won a league title in 21 years. What are you talking about? Back to back.
Exactly.
So win me a title then. I never said that Arsenal. I never said that my expectation that Arsenal has to win it every year. I said, but it shouldn't be 21 years. Are you agreeing or not?
Let me tell you something. Arsenal this year will win the league and we win it again after.
We'll win. Okay, so we're gonna win it back to back. Yeah, we're winning the league back to back. Yeah,
we're winning the league
back to back. Okay.
All right. If Arsenal wins it this season, we win it next season.
Okay. Kawaja, bro, you've been hearing this waffle from man like Mankind. You know what I'm saying? The Egyptian Mankind. What are you saying, bro? Do you agree? We're gonna win it back to back, bro.
No, I don't think. I just still don't have that confidence because I know Lego Head is out there, just scared. He's hiding out there. If I were him, I would go to his house and I would tell him, "You better win me that league title because you spent nearly £1 billion, Fuad. Fuad, he spent £1 billion. You still can't win me a trophy, and you're giving out excuses saying, "Oh, but he needs time. He needs this." Bro, we don't have time.
This is the season where he delivers. I'm telling you now, mate. Listen. Yeah, this is the season he delivers.
Because he talk to me. Watch when we go trophyless. If we go trophyless this season, I don't want to hear your excuses. That's how bad.
If he goes trophyless this season, I will sit here and get cooked, and I won't say one word.
Yeah, no, you won't. You won't even turn up. You always go hiding at the end of the season.
Brother, listen, we will win the league this year, bro. Don't fall for that. I know you. Don't fall for that negativity. Man City
I need to go do that.
What's that?
Huh? Bro, end of the season, I never see you.
Trust me,
end of the season, I never see you.
Will flop, and Liverpool. I'm not gonna disrespect Liverpool because they're the champions, and they say never hit a man when a man's down. We're 8 points ahead of them, bro. Do you get me? Man City are only hype because they're finding something to say. When Newcastle bust them up, everyone's gonna be back to normal.
Let's talk in May then.
Yo, bro. Let me tell you,
mate, Man City is smoking Newcastle, whether you like it or not.
Oh, bro,
Newcastle playing awful, bro.
I remind you
Newcastle. They're rubbish.
They are not.
They're rubbish.
Newcastle. No. Eddie Howe will find a way.
Watch when Man City Newcastle.
Okay, yo, bro. If listen, we will be 7 points ahead of them by next fixture. I'm telling you, we'll be 7 points ahead of them. And then you and all your Arsenal friends. No. If we're 7 points ahead, then you and all your Arsenal fans pray that we lose 2-3 games for the Man City to catch us. All right?
No, I'm praying that we win it. I'm praying that I'm proven wrong. That's what I'm praying for.
We need to win it. No one cares. Win me the damn title.
When we take a 7-point gap, we are not dropping 7 points. We are not losing.
Well, we dropped 8 points in 22.
You're crying, bro. You're crying. You're rattled.
Nah. This is a different Arsenal team, boys. You can't see it, boys. This is a different Arsenal team. You know, it ain't Havertz leading the line no more.
Different Arsenal
team. It's Jokeres leading the line.
It's not better than the 23-24 team, bro.
Yo, listen, bro, why'd you keep going back in the past? That was his first.
Bro, Zubimendi is massively
because you're comparing.
Overrated.
You're saying it's a better team, bro.
The guy is so overrated.
This is why you go back in the past because we're top of the table. If we win the league, if Arteta wins the league, let's go back in the past and stay there, right? Because that's where you all belong, in the past.
What's different about this team, please?
Mate, I still want him
gone.
What's
different? Bro, they could
I still want him
defense solid. 4 points clear of Man City.
Have
we
not
conceded
had
many goals?
Have we only had a good defense?
Okay, you're the first person that said we're not going to win no
only had a good defense this season?
This is how much you guys disrespect Arteta and Arsenal.
Answer my question. You said we're different. I'm asking you a question. Have we only had a good defense this season? Have we only played for set pieces this season? And what have we won?
You know what? You like to go off negativity.
No, I'm asking you a question.
Okay, let me ask
Nice negativity because I'm asking you a question.
Okay, let me ask you a question now. All right. When you guys come out,
No. I asked you a question. Don't answer my question.
No, I'm not going to answer that.
No. I asked you a question. Have we only played for the set pieces and only had a good defense this season? Yes or no?
Last season, we played a bit defensively towards the end of the season. We had no striker and we managed to finish second. This season, we have a striker with there. This season, we have a striker. The teams with there, you embarrass yourself by saying we're not going to win Old Trafford. We won there. We're not going to win in St. James's Park. We won there. We're not going to beat Fulham away. We won there. See, all that predicament you say, it hurts your agenda because now you're going to go back to last year. Well, this season, when you guys predicted that, your predictions are wrong. And that's the reason why we're top of the table, because you guys got it wrong. What happened to us losing in Old Trafford? What happened to us losing in Fulham away? What happened to us dropping point in St. James's Park when you say all these things? We haven't done it. That's why we're top. So you keep predicting we're going to slip up against this team, and we keep winning. The only person who's proven it is you, bro. Because you're not supporting, you're not backing it.
We dropped points to Sunderland, bro.
Be quiet for a second now. Let me just say
promoted,
this, yeah?
bro. Imagine dropping points to Sunderland. Imagine parking the bus against them. Are you serious?
Bro, for 3 seasons, this guy has told me, yeah, that we're going to win the league.
Why would you drop points to Sunderland?
This guy has told me that we're going to win the league, yeah? 3 seasons in a row, yeah? Forward, at the end of every season, have I ever been wrong?
You've never been right. You said we were going to finish 5th. You also were going to finish 5th.
I remember this guy, yeah. I remember this guy saying we don't fear Bayern, yeah. The worst Bayern team I ever seen. We went there, yeah. And what did we do? Absolutely nothing. Got kicked out of the Champions League. I remember this guy waxing lyrical about Man United being poor. Let me land. No, be quiet. Let me land my point. I remember this guy waxing lyrical about, we don't care about Man United in the cup. And we lost. And they were down to 10 men. I remember this guy waxing lyrical about, look at our defense. Look at what we're doing. Oh, look, we slapped up Real Madrid. North, what you saying now? What happened? We got slapped up against PSG. The same guy that told us, we don't fear PSG.
Yeah, but you know what's funny?
So where was all your chest then, bro? And how
do you know what's funny? Do you know what's funny? The same guy who said we won't even get to Paris Saint-Germain. So what was your chest then? Oh, see, you in a way.
I knew we wasn't going to win it, and I was right. I knew we wasn't going to win it, and I was right, yeah? But you were gassing up the Real Madrid thing.
What happened to us beating Real Madrid then?
Yeah, okay, what happened against PSG?
What happened against Real Madrid?
Oh, okay, so let's celebrate that we beat Real Madrid. Oh, we beat Real Madrid. We can lift that cup now.
No, but that's the problem with you, Northside. You should never have been there according to you. You should never have been there according to you. So it's irrelevant.
No, we should be there based on the money.
No, we shouldn't, because you said we're not going to beat Real Madrid.
We should be there. No. There's a difference between what I think the team will do and what they should be doing. There's a difference between both of those. We should be in that position based on the money that we spend.
You can't.
But you know why? You know why I was right? Because I was right. Because I said we're not good enough. We're not good enough under this manager to win the Champions League. So what are you talking about? You're waffling, bro.
You're absolutely talking
rubbish. You're waffling, bro.
You're talking rubbish. Young man, don't follow these people. Bro, you're a young man. I can see you're educated. You're a young Arsenal fan. You're educated. Don't follow these guys. Don't follow these guys. Trust me, bro. Don't follow them. They're clueless. These are the same guys saying we're not going to beat Real Madrid.
Bro, if Man City win the league, it's going to come back to bite us, bro.
If
Man City win the league,
it's over. If we win the league, it's over. It's over. Whatever waffle you keep waffling is gonna come back to bite you. Remember that.
Okay, bro. All right, bro. Whatever you say, mate. It's over for who? For us. For us.
Yes, you. The guy who was waffling absolute BS.
I'm telling you,
that's you.
When Newcastle slap you up, you're gonna be humbled.
You said they're gonna slap us up.
What planet did Newcastle slap Man City, bro?
Please arrive at the conclusion. Please arrive at the conclusion. Arrive at the conclusion. Arrive at the conclusion. Please.